Tiger Woods, fallen hero, crippled athlete, is a Masters champion once again. This recent win is Tiger's 5th Masters title and 15th major championship, capping a remarkable recovery from debilitating injuries and many changes to his game. Though Tiger is arguably the greatest player to ever pick up a golf club, his emotional win at Augusta National did not come without employing a little strategy. Did you know that there is actually something called the Tiger Woods strategy? It's based on the theory that there is an occurrence of immediate decrease in performance due to change, but an overall increase in the long term. While he was making incremental changes to his swing, it didn't pay off in the short term, but in the long run, well, look who's smiling again. As packaging professionals, we can learn a lot from Tiger's strategy. Take Chobani Greek yogurt, for example. When the Greek yogurt category began to dwindle, Chobani decided that change was their best weapon. They freshened up their logo and made a few design changes to their packaging. The new design distinguishes itself from established brands and mimics the more artistic approaches upstart brands have taken. Let's face it, change is hard, but making a little change could make all the difference. Just ask Tiger. The Tiger Woods strategy is just one of the many subjects we cover in our Human Factors course. Click on the link in the description to learn more.
Hey guys, I'm Nick. I'm editing this video right now. Be sure to like, subscribe, and check out these other videos to learn more.